It is time for this legislature to pass House Bill 70. House Bill 70 is sponsored by our Representative Jesse Crenshaw, who you will hear from in a moment. It is strongly supported by this House leadership and by the House of Representatives. And we need to bring pressure to bear to make sure that the Senate steps up and does the right thing. It's time to restore voting rights to former felons who have served their term and paid their debt to society.